So we're here at Cilantro Lime. We're gonna make some SISIG tacos. Hopefully it ends up on the menu. But if you've seen this video over here, we took Leo to Arco and Glendale, and he fell in love with the SISIG. So we've been talking for a while, and we talked about making SISIG tacos, and here we are. So come join us as I cook it up in the kitchen. What up? I get to be Tim today and not it up. But no, we're at Cilantro Lime. It's like our second home right here, and we're trying something new today. You guys like SISIG? Ever had it in a taco?
We're about to find out.
Yeah. Hey.
Right?
All right, guys, so we just wrapped it up. As you saw, I made a burrito. Yep. You guys wonder where I got my skills from, but the tacos as well. So I sprinkled a little lime over it, and now I'm gonna take it out to the guys and see what they think. See how my inner Filipino is, huh? All right, let's go. See the look on their face. I think Nate's already stuffing his face. So it'll be good to see him. Look at him, look at him. You can't even look at him. Eating already, huh?
I'm not eating.
Uh-huh.
So, you might be wondering why I'm sitting away from Sonny. Because he's sick. And I'm trying to get sick. So,
Why don't you grab the top one?
How do you just look? That's a masterpiece right there. Explain what you got.
so Trinell and Leo actually cooked some SISIG burritos. Oh, look at that. And also some SISIG tacos. And
Let me get rid of my halls real quick.
And they're gonna let the Filipino guys try it out.
So this has white rice. It's got jalapeno, onion, and some SISIG, and then cilantro.
And they use pork belly for the SISIG. Ooh. All right, let's go.
I'm super excited for this.
That's pretty good. It has a really strong citrusy taste for that SISIG. There's a nice crunch to it. It's pretty flavorful.
There's a good spice kick to it as well.
What do you think, Sonny? Ready for the menu? The only thing is I don't like the rice because they had to improvise. They had to borrow rice because they're using like a sticky rice for that.
Sushi rice.
It's sushi rice they used on it. But I think the only thing I didn't like was the rice. But other than that, the SISIG flavor is great. Let's try it on their taco. Oh. Oh. Winner! That's a winner. You know the only thing this is missing? Slices avocado on top. Money. Yeah.
I've never had SISIG with avocado.
But it would be good.
It's not missing anything really. It's good.
I like avocados on my tacos, that's why.
The pork belly is crunchy. Like it's crunchy. It's got the vinegar flavor of SISIG. cilantro. I would dice up the jalapenos just a little smaller instead of it being so thick, because it is overpowering because they're like pickled jalapenos. They're not fresh jalapeno.
But this is good. This needs to be in the menu, like starting tomorrow. The taco.
Have Leah's rice.
Yeah, the taco.
Hey, Leah, you got his rice.
Alright, here it goes, guys.
Mm,
Shoot, bomb.
that's so good.
Is it going up the menu?
Let's see.
Feed me.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Give me 10.
Yeah. Good, bro. Good job.
Wow. Vinegar. That's fire, bro.
Oh, that was so good.
All right, thanks for joining us today. We're out here. We came out here to try the stuff that we just made at Cilantro Lime, and you guys can check this out on their menu in
Soon.
due time. Soon, we'll let you guys know when it'll be up there. But yeah, thanks for joining us. Go ahead and follow the links down below. Make sure you give Cilantro Lime a follow. We'll list is the description of their Instagram.
Show
They
'em
make-
love.
Yeah, go come out here, show them some love. They make some amazing food.
If you've never been here to try out their food, you're missing out. Make the trip to downtown. Come check them out. You'll thank us.
Order yourself some I Love I Molitas. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. And then, most of all, go ahead and share this with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it.
We'll
And
catch you
also
on the next
hit
one.
that subscribe button.
Peace.